Here is the Speks Gump Jumbo Loop. So you can see these are filled with that thick clear gel. When you squish it, they slowly go back to its shape. They're stretchy, they're fun to squish. This one's just the huge donut. So this is filled with that thicker material. So if you really like a good squish, this is where it's at.